Are you joking? You must be joking. We often say this as an expression of disbelief, and the same is true in Irish. Amagatotu. Amagatotu. Ag, maga, atá, tu. Amagatotu. You're joking. The Irish, of course, are known in English for their wit. You can say this as a stereotype, but any time you spend in the country, you'll come across it. It's not just wit, it's fast, quick-wittedness and quick wit. There was a man I met in Ireland, twice my size and with bright red hair. So I'm telling him there's a family name we have in common, and he says, like that. Must be why we look so alike. Then a woman I knew in Ireland. This is how the conversation went without her missing a beat. I thought I saw you on such and such road yesterday walking a dog. Well, it wasn't me because I don't have a dog. Oh, it looked so much like you. I suppose it might have been me. I'm very short-sighted. Though I have Irish forebears on both sides, this is a quick wit I did not inherit. All I've got is what the French call esprit d'escalier, staircase wit. It's a term also used in English to refer to those witty things we think of saying when it's too late, when we're already out on the staircase, having left the room. That's the only kind I'm ever capable of, but I do admire it when others have that lightning fast comeback, that repartee. Speaking of my staircase wit, a man in Ireland, an Irish friend, once told me an old joke I hadn't heard since the 80s, that his mate said his bald head wasn't a bald head at all. It was a solar panel for a machine. Why did I not think till afterwards? I should have said, it wouldn't be much good in Ireland then. You'll have to come to Australia. What are some of the words in Gaeilge for this? We have the word Jas Valley, which is wit or witticism, with the adjective Jas Bhealach. It looks like the word mouth in there, bail, and it's similar to Bhealach, which dictionary tells me is loquacious or loose-tongued, so there's a kind of orality going on there, I guess. We also have Jarchant, which is similar in meaning. Then Rashchachas, banter or repartee. Coming back to that expression I began with, amagatotu. You often hear this on Rosnarún, you're joking, when people are expressing, as I said, that disbelief, where the person wants to assert the fact that it really is true, whatever the drama is that's happened is inorire, which is in truth, or what really happened. It really is so, really is the case. If we put this together with the word sugra, which is fun or play, we can get an expression which means half joking and half serious, so half in jest or half in earnest. That's idir hugra is dorire. Idir hugra is dorire. The sugra there becomes hugra because it follows the idir. Apparently idir does not always cause this, but that's another story. So half joking, half serious. Idir hugra is dorire. Now, bearing in mind I'm a learner, I can't really teach all the expressions for fun, jokes, wit, humour in Irish, but I'm sharing them as I learn about them. And I'd love to hear from you if you know any good jokes, clean ones so I don't get in trouble on YouTube, in the Irish language. Online I can find lots of them that are kind of puns or jokes between English and Gaeilge. But it's not so easy to find ones that are completely in Irish language. So let me know in the comments below if you have some good ones. And please do subscribe. I'd love to hear more from you.